MATH199 is a full year university course that the Faculty of Engineering puts on for senior high schoolers who feel like they're up for a bit of a challenge and want a bit of an early head start on what tertiary education is like. Today is Experience Day, so we've got a bunch of students that we've brought on campus for the day to get a bit of a taste for what it's like being a university student.
I'm from Hamilton in Hillcrest High School. We're just getting together, seeing people that we might be studying with next year and working on our assignments. It's a really good opportunity to just see the university. I was most looking forward to just meeting everyone because it gives me a good head start. It's really welcoming, and because now I know what halls are like and what it would be like to be out away from home and get out of my comfort zone. And I came here alone, so I've got to meet a bunch of new friends, and it's definitely worth it.
Today we've been looking through different departments at the university. We've had different options about potential study paths and just having a more in-depth look what they are.
This morning I did a bit of fluids, seeing how microplastics and stuff work around those, seeing what water pressure does, seeing how barriers work.
UC is my top choice. The campus is like all together, the halls are like 5 seconds away. It's also just so nice, like it's so bright.
This is my first time coming to UC. It's pretty sick. It's a massive campus, everything's close together, everyone seems to be real cozy here. It's a big inspiration to see like-minded students and just being able to work together towards something. People who I've only seen on a screen for the past 11, 12 weeks, I've gotten to know a lot better now. The staff are all lovely. They're all real helpful, real friendly. I've gotten to get to know a lot of them as well. Do it, get along, get involved. It's a great experience.